How to see your subscriptions on Twitch easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your subscriptions easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to Twitch. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner right here and click on your profile. After you click on your profile, now go down and you will find the subscriptions option. As you can see, here is it. Just click on it and everything will be here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.